This is supposed to be some kind of rocket launcher, and I saw this on AliExpress, about $4 or $5. So let's just see what it looks like. Well, got some rather nondescript plans, which don't look particularly good. And it shows one rocket shooting out of here. It looks like they should all come out. Well, let's have a look. If they don't all come out, then I'm really a little disappointed. So, right. I see two springs. Yeah. One rocket. That is a little disappointing. Now, where do we go? We get probably this bit. And we get this bit. And we put this bit in here. Okay. And then we put the spring. So we've got two springs. So I'm assuming I put the longer spring in here. I'll put the longer spring in here. Wedge it down a bit. And then this one, whoops, things are blowing. It looks like it goes vertically, but there's nothing for it to go vertically onto, which is kind of oh, I see. I see. This is supposed to go vertically here to go into that pin there, like that. So let me see if that goes together like that. Yep, that goes together like that. So, whoops. So let me see. I think they've given me this, drawn this upside down. No, does it go there? Or does it go there? I'm gonna say it goes there, maybe. Oh, I see. It actually goes there. In fact, let's do it this way up, not the way they show in the right. Then this goes on. Oh, I'm just going to pause for a second while I do some cursing. Okay, I put it together, so that's as far as that has gone. And let me see what happens next. So I have a feeling this is not going to work. Let me put this rocket in here, and I can't because the pin is in the way. Okay, let's pull that apart again. Turn this around like that, and we shall try again. Right, does that work? Let me try to shove this rocket in. That is probably where it fires from. No, it fires from... Let's just see. That is where it fires from. So why is that blocked? Let me pause. Okay, so a little bit of cursing later, and I've got it back, I've got it together. I've got the red thing in here upside down. So let's load it and fire it. Okay, that works. Now, this silly red thing, let me see. This red thing goes, okay. This red thing goes in there like that. And then this fits on there like that. Okay. Then we've got, that's the base. That is the base. So they've got two things here. That clips onto, theoretically, clips onto there, or there. Why isn't that going on? Yeah, got it. And that one goes onto there like that. I have no idea what this green thing is. Maybe another button? Okay. Now this clearly clips together like that. Okay. This one clips onto there. This, this clips onto there, and that clips onto there. Right. Now, aha, we have this bit which clips onto here, and this goes onto there. So we have kind of swiveling missile launcher with kind of sort of swivels, and that goes into there like that, and we fire like that. A little disappointing, but